Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today is about grasping what being a teacher really is. And for so many years, I have struggled with the idea that I need to teach the lesson, give the tools, and then ensure that the student not only follow through, but choose to be successful. I'm learning that a great teacher is not attached to how long it takes a student to learn, or what tools they use, or what paths they may travel to get there. A great teacher simply plants the seeds and provides the opportunity, and then is very patient as the student begins to unravel the lesson for themselves. I hope this is helpful. Namaste.